everybody. Brian back with you again out here in a nice beautiful sunny day in Quartzsite, Arizona. And I've been out here for a week or so, going to stay another couple of weeks in a couple of different areas. But while we're out here, I wanted to get some maintenance done on the rig. Did a couple of things yesterday. So today I'm going to go up and tackle some sealant. A while back, actually, I guess it's been a year ago now, I put on two fantastic fans, took out the old fans, put new ones in, and sealed them up. And noticed some issues with the sealant. Didn't really know what was going on until recently. Watched a couple of YouTube channels. Another RV tech from Arizona has a YouTube channel called AZ Experts, I believe it is. So I reached out to him to find out what the issue might be. And apparently I used the wrong sealant. I did not know that Winnebago uses a silicone sealant on all their vents to seal, well, not only the vents but the end caps, the front caps, a lot of different areas. So when I put those fans in, I used Dicor. It was a clean surface, but apparently you can't put Dicor on top of silicone. Only silicone on silicone, or nothing sticks. So I'll take you up top, let you see what's going on, and show you what happens when you do, because it was a little shocking to me. Although we've had no water intrusion, I was a little surprised to see the sealant really isn't sticking very well. So let's go up top and take a look at that. So Winnebago uses a very specific silicone sealant. As you can see here, this is the original sealant. It's nice and smooth, not cracked, dirty obviously, but it's still intact. It's not cracking, not peeling anywhere. Now we'll go over and take a look at the bathroom skylight. Originally I was going to show you this vent fan, but you know, looking at this, I mean, it's sticking okay in some areas, but other areas it's not. You can see I kind of just peel it up like that. So it's really not sealing as well as it could. But even a better example of how Dicor does not stick to a surface that previously had silicone on it is this right here. You can see this. It just peels right up. See that? So that is not really sealing out much of anything whatsoever. It just peels right up off the surface, because this surface originally had silicone on it, and Dicor will not stick to it. You can see it just kind of peels right up. And I was none the wiser until I was made aware of that. So all this is coming off around this whole perimeter, and I'm going to put new sealant, the new correct silicone sealant, all the way around that. All right, again, so here's this great example of, you know, I didn't reseal this. I put a little bit of Dicor over the top of areas like this that have split, but this someone else did. You can see it pretty much just peels up and off around this whole perimeter. Just comes right off like that. So that's not a good thing. Although it had no leaks, you can see it just comes right off from that surface that was once silicone sealant. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, get all this Dicor off of here, get it all scraped, go back over it with silicone sealant. Okay, here's the skylight with all of the sealant removed around the perimeter. And there's a fine layer on this. There's just a little bit of the old silicone on there. It should be okay. But I'm going to clean it with mineral spirits and some rubbing alcohol after that, to kind of get that surface all nice and clean. And then I'll put the new sealant down. Okay, here is the finished skylight. As you can see, I got the Nuflex 311 silicone self-leveling sealant put all around the perimeter. Couple stage cleaning process, one with mineral spirits, and then I ran over it again with rubbing alcohol. And so here's the sealant that you need to use on your Winnebago. If you have the fiberglass roof, this is what Winnebago uses. It's straight from the factory. The Nuflex 311 silicone self-leveling sealant. That's what they put on the factory. So I pulled all that other stuff off. It was a combination of 2 sealants. I'll come back in a couple days and do a pull test, make sure everything's sticking really well. But other than that, I think we're going to be okay.